What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to show you my Airlift 3-piece setup, how it's done, how it's routed, the tank, the compressors, all that stuff. Let's you see it air out. Let's go. Alright, so before you guys see the inside, just letting you know it is dirty. I haven't cleaned it in probably, I don't know, a month or two on the inside. Oh my god! Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Alright, inside the cockpit, I've got my airlift controller here. Go ahead and start the vehicle. Now I think I have a fuel pump issue because I have to get everything started first and then start the car. So I have a 2 PMS sensor that went bad conveniently after I finished the setup. Alright, you guys see here my preset is aired out currently. My ride height right here, it's not working. There you go. So you see the air pressure there's at 117, 120. That's the pressure in the tank. So it's automatically setting to my preset, which is 62, 60, 36, 36. And being off 1 to 2 psi is normal. It's just air pressure, that's all that is. So once it hits 149, 150, the compressors turn off. It means the tank is full. I'll show you the tank setup in the back when we're done filling up. There you go. I have all the wiring looms routed through the driver's side of the car. Like I said, I haven't cleaned the inside of this in a while. I do need to do that. All the plastics are in the back. I need some wash mints in the back that I have to clean. See a little foam cannon hiding back there. I see you. See you just hiding back there. So that's pretty much what's going on the inside. I do need to find a mount for the controller. But going to the back of the car, look at that. Ew. Look at that. Ew, ew, ew. Opening the trunk. You see right there my 4-gallon raw tank, dual 444 compressors. It's a simple setup. And on the underside, my manifold and wiring, or not wiring, but airlines. But super simple. It's just a temporary setup. I do want to do the fake wood floor and all that stuff eventually. But this is just to get the car driving because it was on jack stands for 2 weeks. And yeah, I needed to drive the car. As you guys probably could tell from all my Instagram posts, I was extremely unhappy that it took me this long. But nevertheless, got it done. Thank you to Kyle Brown. I'll put his information in the bottom of the screen here. Go show support to the guy. He drove all the way from Tampa at 9 o'clock at night to help me finish that. Ended up getting to the house at 10 o'clock because I did this at my in-laws place. Got to the house at 10 o'clock at night. We finished at 5 a.m. I went to work the next day at 7:30. And yeah, so that's the car. And right now it is at ride height, which I have sitting right at the top of the tire. Kind of how it was when I had the springs, but rides really nicely. So it's currently at air out, or I'm sorry, the preset ride height. In order to air out, you hit this button down here and then double tap twice. And now we're tucking. Now we are tucking. Oops. Oops. Alright, so the rears are tucking right at the top of the wheel. This one tucks about, I don't know, an inch of the wheel. Now the passenger side doesn't tuck as hard because it needs to be frame notched. So I have the control hour here. Currently we are aired out at 0 psi. And if I do ride height, like I said, hit the middle button, hit it twice. There you go. You guys can probably hear the compressors, maybe. We're at right height. Alright, so let's air out, because everyone likes to see airing out. So tank is at 142, bottom button. And there we go, aired completely out. 0, 0, 0, 0. And that's my setup, guys. Hope you guys enjoy it. And yes, I still have the Mini Cooper. It's just sitting there. Hasn't been driven in a couple days. Ever since I got my Volkswagen, I've been driving the Volkswagen. So, Mini Cooper's still here. I may sell it. We'll see. Every time I go to sell it, I just think about how awesome it is and, you know, that crappy stuff. It's just a Mini Cooper, I know. Some people don't get into this type of stuff, but I do. It is beneficial having a third vehicle, especially if this one goes down, then I can drive that one. If that one goes down, I can drive this one. If you're wondering why I parked all the way out there, that is because the past 2 or 3 days it's been raining, and this crappy road that the landlord decided to give us is crappy and turns into clay when it's wet. So Mini stays there. I can put the Volkswagen here. Gives me about a half a foot from the edge of the lip to this road. When it rains hard, the water bounces off of this clay and actually shoots onto the front of the car. So I'd prefer not to do that. I've got all the factory wheels here from the Mini, the spare tire from the Volkswagen. Probably gonna junk all that, so we'll see what happens. But if anybody wants to buy the Mini, let me know. That's gonna do it for today, guys. I appreciate you guys watching my videos. We're coming up to 1,000 subscribers. As you guys know, there's a big giveaway. I'm actually gonna have 2 different options. One for the Volkswagen enthusiasts, 2 for detailers. So when we get close to 1,000 subscribers, I will give you guys both options. Until then, take care, have a great evening, see you guys on the next one.
It's caught in the crossfire.